Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Well, when I was talking to our diesel experts, I thought I'd cover off on one of the questions we do get about whether or not my custom dyno tune can get wiped, and if so, how does it get wiped? Before I go on and talk to you about this, don't forget to subscribe to the Ultimate Diesel Tuning YouTube channel and click the bell for notifications. The only way that your tune file can be wiped is if the dealership overwrites your tune file. This can happen if the dealership is doing a software update on your vehicle, and usually this will take place when there's been recalls on that car. So I just want to make you really clear, there's no way the tune file can be wiped from your vehicle if it's just got a flat battery, or you replace the battery or disconnect the terminals in that vehicle. So the question is, if your vehicle has had the tune file wiped, how would you know? Well, it's going to be very sluggish, it's going to have turbo lag, and it's just going to drive like it's got no more power like you did have when you had it custom dyno tuned. The tuning that we carry out is software-based solution that is customized on the dyno. We always have a copy of your original tune, which can be reloaded anytime based on your requirements for most vehicles. For all the vehicles we custom dyno tune here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning, we save the original file from the factory as well as the custom dyno tune file as well for that vehicle. If we are able to reload your tune file, then we'll do so free of charge. However, if a dealership overwrites the tune file with a newer software version, then we may not be able to reload your tune file as the dealership has inserted the newer software into it. In simple terms, you can't just put old software over the top of new software. If this does happen to you and the software version has been updated and we can't just reload the tune, we will have to fully retune your vehicle, but we do that at a discounted rate for you. If you do have any questions or concerns with your vehicle, give us a call and speak to our diesel expert. Don't just take it to a mechanic and ask them. We certainly will know a lot more about your vehicle when it's been custom dyno tuned by us.